My name is Muhammad Izzat and I'm from Magic. I'm working with Magic Academy department. We provide education, enable education for the entrepreneurs and also startups.
Hi, my name is Dietrich Ayala. I work in the Developer Relations program at Mozilla, and I speak to developers, designers, and technologists.
My name is Karis. I'm an illustrator and educator based in Penang, Malaysia. Besides doing illustration work for books, magazines, I also work on community arts projects with teenagers, where we use art as a medium to get them to understand cultural heritage and history.
You have a lot of communities, so it ranges from web developer, iOS developer, Android developer. We are looking to boost more technical entrepreneurs in the scene with this Mozilla collaboration. Mozilla Roadshow actually bring us all those tips and tricks, and also exposure to us in terms of technology, latest trends, and also experience from all those experienced developers and all. And it brings together all those from our scene to actually learn from the Mozilla Roadshow itself.
Right now, the pattern we see is that a group of technologists get together, decide to start a business, build a project, and ship an app. A lot of times, they are so focused on that singular experience of building that app that they don't think about the total addressable market out there, what their users are doing, the patterns of technology their users use in order to access technology. Web technologies offer a way for all of their audience to be able to access the services that they're providing, the products that they're building, in a way that is fairly frictionless. For us, it's important to speak directly to those founders, those makers, those programmers, in a way that we can tell that story to help their business grow. So we need to use open platform, the web, and open innovation practices to be able to make sure that technology is able to be built by everyone, but also able to be accessed by everyone.
Today I'm here to explore WebVR and specifically A-Frame and A-Painter, which I am very excited about because painting in 3D is sort of like the next frontier for illustration. You know, from 2D, that's the obvious next step. The more accessible it gets, the more people will be able to try it out. I'm especially excited to see whether it could go into schools and then have children and kids use it as part of their curriculum. Let's say you make a documentary about a market, but none of the people who go to the market can actually see it because they don't have headsets, they don't have the gear that's needed. So if we can put content on the web, that makes it a lot more accessible to people around the world and a lot more democratic. They can actually view the content that's about themselves. So I think WebVR in the next 5 years is going to be especially important as storytellers, like filmmakers, journalists, artists are experimenting more with immersive storytelling and also interactive storytelling. Because when you have a set of tools like that, it allows you to tell really powerful stories that elicit responses from the viewers. Gets them to do something, gets them to react, maybe gets them to collaborate with other people. And that's only possible if they can actually see the content in the first place, which is why having it on the web is really important.